BubblyBop time! Fun music and magical rhymes!
Let's sing our ABCs under the deep blue sea. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Come dive down and sing with me. A is for angelfish, angelfish. B is for blue whale, blue whale. C is for crab, crab. D is for dolphin, dolphin. E is for elephant, seal, elephants. F is for flying fish, G is for goldfish, goldfish. H is for hermit crab, hermit crab. I is for isopod, isopod. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish. K is for killer whale, killer whale. L is for lobster, lobster. M is for manatee, manatee. N is for narwhal, narwhal. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pufferfish, pufferfish. Q is for queen snapper, queen snapper. R is for ray, ray. S is for seahorse, seahorse. T is for turtle, turtle. U is for sea urchin, sea urchin. V is for viperfish, viperfish. W is for walrus, walrus. X is for x-ray tetra, x-ray tetra. Y is for yellowfin tuna, yellowfin tuna. Z is for zebra shark, zebra shark. Now we learned our ABCs under the deep blue sea.
It's quiz time under the sea.
Ours is.
Let's see how clever my ocean friends can be.
Which letter makes the sound angelfish?
It's A, angelfish.
Angelfish.
What comes after the letter B?
C, crab.
Which animal has 8 arms and starts with O?
Octopus. Octopus.
Which animal starts with the letter N and has a horn like a unicorn?
Narwhal, narwhal.
And what's the very last letter under the sea?
Zoo, zebra shark.
You're a true ocean genius. Now let's sing our ABCs again under the sea.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y,